so many great things that come from the sea, but the sea scallop, that's my jam. And they go so well with a crispy, cheesy crust because they're kind of mild in flavor, and you could throw a lot of stuff at the sea scallop and it'll stay right on board with you. Speaking of sea scallops, look at the size of these things. They're huge. These things are sold out of the shell, which is great for me because they're user-friendly. They just have this unedible muscle on the top. Take it off, pat it dry, and you're ready for the barbecue. You cannot have a crispy, crunchy coating without something crispy and crunchy. So, Melba toast. Listen to the crunch. And to this, a little bit of cheese. This is Pecorino. It's in the family of Italian hard cheeses. And I'm blitzing this up so I don't have to grate it or anything. Pieces like this are just fine. I'm in love with smoked paprika. It's made from like a dehydrated bell pepper, and sometimes they add a little bit of hot pepper in it, and this one happens to be smoked. You know what? It needs a herb, for sure.
What does the herb garden have to offer?
Parsley. Parsley's a pretty underrated herb, but it has a really good clean flavor. It's fresh, and it goes great with scallops. So, parsley in, and just to finish, a little melted butter. The butter's really nice. It helps the breadcrumb soak up all the flavor, and then when it hits the scallop on the barbecue, it starts to melt, and it's just delicious. Give it a buzz. Woo! That is gorgeous. All right, this breadcrumb and the scallops are gonna chill out in the fridge for a little bit, which gives me enough time to make a really cool red pepper sauce. Red pepper sauce. I have a really good tip for you. When peppers come off the grill piping hot, cover it in plastic wrap, and that way the skins and the seeds come right off the pepper. You can buy this stuff in the can, but there's so much flavor if you barbecue them yourself, and look at how pretty that is. So I have a rule. For every 2 peppers, 1 garlic clove and half a shallot. Okay, there's a couple of things this needs to make it really silky smooth, and that's 1 egg yolk and a bit of Dijon. So the peppers have a lot of acid in it, plus the Dijon mustard and the garlic, it just kind of all needs to be cooled out. And honey is the perfect man for the job. Okay, so it needs a little bit of life rice wine vinegar and just a splash. Red pepper city. It's gonna go so good with those sweet scallops. Scallops cook really quickly, so high heat. I call it the James Dean technique, hot and fast. I've already seasoned them with oil, salt, and pepper, and you just want a really nice char mark. Flip it, crust it. Scallops are great because of their white flesh, and you can almost see them get grill marks as you go. Once you see a little bit of color, flip it, crust it. Here's a really good way to tell if it's done. I just touch it on both sides. It gives it a little bit. The scallops are finished. With something as special as that, I want to make it look pretty. They cook up so fast. They're really mild in flavor. That's gonna bring a lot of pleasure to anybody who comes over to your house for dinner, guaranteed. That is how scallop should be cooked. Just medium in the middle. Gotta respect the scallop. Bye-bye.